Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make bookmark in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make bookmark in Publisher. Now firstly select from text. Now this text from copy. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for bookmark option. Now we can see, then show the new interface, then show the bookmark name. Now select from name. Now click for add option. That it's. Now you can see we show the bookmark. This video of make bookmark in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.